So this is an introduction of the cooking and eating that we decided to choose Thailand Food Festival as our term. Okay, so introduction is Thailand Food Festival is one of the food that held in Malaysia. The most interesting that we love in Thailand Food Festival is socializing is a central food festival. So next is first is the origin of dishes. The origin of dishes, Thailand is originated with the people who emigrated from southern Chinese. So Thailand has a cuisine which predominantly due to Burmese and Chinese. Thailand also known as for the best street food in the world. Having street food in Bangkok is a must-do every tourist list. Thailand food has a special unique 5 tastes which is salty, sweet, sour, bitter and spicy. Okay, so the combine of the dishes had attract people, especially tourists, to try the Thailand food. Okay, so the Thailand dishes freshly made ingredient. Fresh ingredient is include fish, vegetables and others. So Thailand dishes food can make people can attract people to eat the food, the dishes.
Why they are special? First is Tom Yum. Tom Yum special because the taste based on sour and spicy flavor. A paste called Nam Pri Po is prepared as a base of the soup, to which water, herbs and meat are added. In Tom Yum also have vegetable like carrot and cabbage. This combination are good because have protein and carbohydrate. Other than that, to increase the smell and taste, we add kaffir lime leaf in Tom Yum so that Tom Yum will be more delicious, and it is the must thing to have when we make it Tom Yum. Second is Miam Pla. Miam Pla is the famous dishes. We call it health dish because it contains protein and carbohydrate. In Miam Pla also have fried fish, salad, cucumber, meat and sauce. Miam Pla have a good combination and also good for people who is in diet because they have good combination between protein and carbohydrate. Our last dishes is Som Tam. Som Tam special because the taste like sweet, sour and spicy salad of shredded green papaya and also add chili and fish sauce. Som Tam is made fresh to order the papaya will be soggy and the flavor are matched together.
My name is Muhammad Faizul Pajar. Now I can take over the presentation. I can discuss about how the different Miang Pla, Som Tam and Tom Yum from other dishes. Firstly, I can discuss about the Miang Pla food. Miang Pla Thailand is a food that is the fish as its main dish and is served along with a variety of the ulam, salad, vermicelli, and special green sauce. For the second food is Sontum Thailand. Sontum Thailand is so very popular in the Thailand. Sontum Thailand is a spicy lettuce dish that uses the main ingredient of raw papaya slice. Sontum Thailand is a refreshing taste, make this dish much sought after. For the third food is Tom Yum Thailand. Tom Yum Thailand has a variety of types. For example, Tom Yum Kum, which has a spicy sauce. The specialty of the Tom Yum Thailand is that the spice used all for fresh ingredients. For example, alia, limau, leaf, and many more. Now I can pass for my friend to discuss the presentation.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Amira Atika binti Muhammad Aris. Today, I want to discuss about my experience when I tried these dishes like som tau, miam pla, and tom yum. I think a lot of people like to eat the Thai food because the Thai food has a different taste between Malay food. Now, I want to share my experience when I tried the Thai tom yum. We can see the Thai tom yum and Malay tom yum. When we try this tom yum, we can feel something different because the Thai tom yum have a different taste. For example, sour, spicy, and sweet. If you all try the Thai food, you can feel unique taste. Maybe this situation can happen because ingredient factor influence this food. I think the Thai food is the best food in the world between the other countries. In this country, famous with food, some people want to go at the Thailand because they want to try the original food at the Thailand. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, I'm gonna tell you about the nutrition and a balanced diet on Thailand food. As we know, Thailand food is very delicious and have a healthy ingredients. The traditional diet of Thailand features colorful with vegetables, seafood, and meats. They are served with rice or noodles seasoned with herbs and spices like turmeric, galangal, Thai basil, and lemongrass. Other common ingredients in Thai dishes such as tofu, seafood, and bean sprout also have impressive nutrition profiles. Thai food is made with regional herbs and spices that may provide healthy benefit and that can make a balanced diet in a meal. These meals often contain a healthy balance of protein, fats, and carbs. They also tend to feature a variety of non-starchy vegetables that provide fiber, vitamins, and minerals. That's all from me, and thank you. In conclusion, Thai festival is the best place for food hunters because there are many Thailand's food and also halal there, so that we no need to go to Thailand to eat and taste their food. Other than that, the price for a dish is really suitable and not expensive at all. Thailand dishes is very delicious because they are using a traditional herbs and spices that in Thailand. All of us need to try the food from another countries, and it's really delicious, and we get new experience because we know the other country dishes or food.